The mid-size Ridgeline pickup truck from Honda is unique. The Ridgeline is a unibody vehicle, which means it lacks a separate frame, in contrast to conventional body on-frame pickup rivals like the Chevy Colorado or Toyota Calma. When you drive it, it is clear that it is based on the unibody 3-row Honda Pilot SUV. The Ridgeline's unconventional construction combines the towing and cargo bed capabilities of a small truck with the driving comfort of an SUV. The Ridgeline still makes a great impression in the concrete jungle, even though this reduces its off-road capability in comparison to the most aggressive models from its rivals. The Ridgeline has a nice 280 horsepower V6 and a 9-speed automatic gearbox. It is only available as a 4-door crew cab with a 5-foot bed. All-wheel drive is required. From behind the wheel, you'd never guess you're driving a pickup, which is exactly why it's a multi-time Editor's Choice winner. Before continue, the video guys, please subscribe to our channel Top 4 Cars for more amazing cars content. What's new for 2024? Traditional body, on-frame pickups that offer sufficient towing and competent off-roading have oversaturated this market for mid-sized trucks. The Ridgeline, on the other hand, caters to people who prefer a more luxurious and economical substitute. While the most expensive models come with the fanciest features, we believe the RTL offers the best balance of desirable features and affordability. The Ridgeline RTL also comes with more features as standard than the less expensive sport trim level. These include power adjustable front seats, heated front seats, and a leather-trimmed interior. Engine, transmission, and performance. The sole drivetrain consists of a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 280 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque, a 9-speed automatic gearbox, and standard all-wheel drive. When you request a hard acceleration, the throttle response is especially responsive and the engine feels smooth. The Ridgeline is a surprising pickup in many ways when you're in the driver's seat. It is courteous and feels very capable when driving. The competition's leaf spring solid. Axle setups do not provide the same level of ride quality that its coil spring independent rear suspension does. Small bumps and minimal body lean-in corners are barely perceptible. The steering that is powered by electricity feels appropriate. The Ridgeline's only noticeable dynamic flaw is its braking performance. It has a relatively long stopping distance from 70 miles per hour to 0, and we felt the brake pedal was too soft and had too much travel in everyday driving. Are you still connected with us? Let me remind you, please subscribe our channel Top 4 Cars. Towing and payload capacity. The Honda Ridgeline pickup truck can haul some weight, but not much. All Ridgelines have all-wheel drive as standard, and their 5,000-pound weight rating is 2,000 to 2,500, less than that of competitors like the Chevy Colorado and Ford Ranger. The Ridgeline has a payload capacity of almost 1,600 pounds, which is less than the Ranger's maximum, but roughly on par with the Colorado. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. At 18 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. The Ridgeline's engine is the most fuel-efficient V6 in its class. An all-wheel drive Ridgeline obtained 28 mpg on our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route, which mimics real-world highway driving and is a part of our rigorous testing process. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Ridgeline's interior is the most functional and comfortable in its class. Below the dash level, the Honda has hard plastics, just like the majority of other mid-size pickups. Other than that, the materials are superior. Of all the mid-size competitors, the rear passengers will have the most space. Both of the front seats fold. Down armrests are a welcome addition, especially given how low the center console is in relation to them. The only bed length available for the Honda pickup is 5.3 feet, matching the short beds of its rivals. Its second lowest volume is 34 cubic feet. Its locking, weather-tight in-bed trunk, which is situated beneath the bed's floor and is accessed from above, serves as a remedy for this disparity. Its volume is 7.3 cubic feet. One more benefit. The Ridgeline is the only mid-size pickup with 50.0 inches between its wheel wells that can accommodate a sheet of 4 by 8-foot building material lying flat on the bed floor. Inside, there are more clever features. When flipped up the 60 to 40, split rear seat has space for a full-size bicycle. Unfortunately, it might be challenging to load large items because the rear doors don't open very widely. Infotainment and connectivity. A touchscreen infotainment system with an 8.0-inch display is standard on every Ridgeline. Honda claims that it is now easier to use than its predecessor thanks to the physical volume knob and the screen icons. We haven't had a chance to personally test this assertion or the upgraded display audio system, though. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also included as standard on the Ridgeline. Additionally, some models may come with an in-bed audio system that will make any tailgate party more entertaining. It transforms the cargo bed into a massive speaker by using vibrating actuators. Safety and driver assistance features. The Honda pickup truck also includes a host of standard driver assistance technology. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane, keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. The 2024 Ridgeline's intelligent all-wheel drive system is made to confidently handle a variety of road conditions, building on its reputation for exceptional handling. This advanced system continuously assesses the traction of each wheel and modifies power distribution to provide the best grip and stability. No matter the terrain, the Ridgeline's intelligent AWD ensures a safe and controlled driving experience, whether navigating wet city streets, difficult off-road trails, or slick surfaces. Terrain Management System. The 2024 Ridgeline's Terrain Management System will give off road enthusiasts a new level of capability. Drivers can optimize the truck's performance for a variety of adventurous scenarios thanks to a variety of selectable modes designed for particular terrains like snow, mud, or sand. The Ridgeline's Terrain Management System gives drivers the confidence they need to conquer the great outdoors, whether they're driving on sand dunes or arduous mountain trails. Advanced Hybrid Powertrain. The Honda Ridgeline's Advanced Hybrid Powertrain raises the bar for trucks in the year 2024. This hybrid system, which combines an effective petrol engine with electric motors, boosts both overall performance and fuel efficiency significantly. Honda's dedication to environmental sustainability and cutting-edge automotive engineering is demonstrated by this innovation. For a smooth and dynamic driving experience on and off the road, drivers can anticipate seamless transitions between petrol and electric power.